I'm Mark, and today I'm going to show you our balance lift combined with TV stand. So as you can see, it moves up and down easily with just a finger. It supports weights of 23 to 40 kilos. If your TV is too heavy, as I'm demonstrating with these weights here, it'll just drop down to the bottom. So there is an adjuster on the top that adjusts the tension of the springs. To attach the balance lift to the TV stand, first add the extension bars to the bottom of the VESA bracket, and then you want to add the supports for the balance lift to it. The top one goes in the top holes of the TV stand at the lowest position on the slot. So first just loosely put the nuts and screws in place. The bottom bar of the balance lift bracket, the very bottom of it aligns with the bottom of the stand, so the screws are slightly in the middle of the bottom slot on the bracket. So again, just loosely put the screws in place. Now we're going to lift the bottom bar up so as the bottom of the bar matches the bottom of the stand, and then tighten up the bolts. The bottom bar doesn't particularly support any weight, it's mainly hung from the top. So to attach the balance lift to the stand, you have to tilt it at a little bit of an angle and then hook it onto the top, and then it'll just slide into place at the bottom. Then there are two screws at the bottom that hold the balance lift securely in place. So again, the TV goes on at a slight angle and hooks on at the top of the balance lift. And then again, there's another 2 screws at the bottom that hold it in place and stop the bottom from lifting forwards. Thank you for watching. I'll put a link to where you can purchase the stand at the bottom.